Procedures for collecting wedge stains on absorbent and non-absorbent substances. Collecting wedge stains or absorbent substances, all you need to do is collect sample stain from the item in being located. Use one or more sterilized cotton swabs to stain, then to layer in the sample and be your naturally put it in the box and sealed, and also put in the bag for packaging and transported in the laboratory. Next is collect control sample in the item, slightly moistening in the swab distilled water and grab the area of the surface and stain be earned naturally, then put in the box, be subjective proper packaging and transported into laboratory. Last is submit inter item if possible. Possible it means detachable and be subjective to proper packaging and transported to laboratory. And also the swab containing the wet stain and swab containing the control packaged separately. And the second procedure, collecting with stain or non-absorbent substances. In this process, you don't need collect sample stain in the item switch in the was being located. All you need to do submit enter item possible. Possible means detachable and be subjective to proper packaging and transported to laboratory. Another procedure for collecting dry stain on absorbent and non-absorbent substances. First is collecting dry stain or absorbent substances. In this process, all you need to do is cut out the stain in the area of the item in which the stain was being located. And then collect a portion, stain the area by wrapping and by cotton swab on the stained area, and thoroughly air dry and put in the box to be subjective for proper packaging and transported to laboratory. And package and label a sample separately, sub containing dry stain and sub containing the control sample is collecting dry stain, non-absorbent substances. The manner that will be going to perform is to swab the stain on the suspective items where it adheres, and then air dry thoroughly and put in the box and sealed properly and put it on the paper bag. Next process, to perform collecting sample from a smear. In this manner, use a dry like a cotton swab and concentrate the substances on the tip to swab and allow the swab air dry. Put it on the box and put the paper bag to prepare packaging and transported to laboratory. Next is collecting sample stain from the item and located collect control sample of the item is slightly is moistening swab is the with distilled water and drop the area of the surface stain region near stain allow the swab and air dry put it in the box and also put in in the paper bag and subjective for packaging and transported to laboratory. Label and package evidence. Charge swab separately. Swab containing the smear and swab containing control sample. And the last method going to perform is evidence marking. Evidence marking must be done by investigator accurately and thoroughly documented the evidences. Thank you, sir, and God bless.